So here's today's project, putting a USB outlet where the cigarette lighter outlet was on the 2019 Road Glide. So there's the backside view where the outlet is at. The problem I'm having currently right now is that area right there, point to it, it's too tight, a curve in there to fit the nut on the backside. Here's the original one. And this has a thin metal shield that goes around it. If I can take it off with one hand. So that's how it's held in there. So it's pinched in between there, between that. That's a lot less room than what this and this nut need. So currently, I just ground down these were square edges, and I'll link to these in the description. They're on Amazon. So what it is, they claim it's Quick Charge 3.0. It doesn't really matter to me. I just wanted an extra USB outlet to charge things. But here's the two. Red kind of matches the bike. Anyways, but in the center here, there's also a voltmeter. So that is what it looks like. And in that little window, that's where the volts is actually displayed. So what I had to do, because I didn't have anything thin enough to fit around there like that original collar, I put a hose clamp on it, let it loose, so it was just barely holding on to the outlet. Put that on there, tighten that nut down. Made sure this all got pulled in. The only bad part is this rubber just kind of stands out a little bit because the fit around this edge is super tight. So, and it's on this edge here, it's right on the edge. So it's not perfect. I got a better installation on the one that I did on my Street Glide. If you intend to do this mod, just remember, there's no going back. Once you open that hole up, that original one is not going to fit. You're going to need to adapt it down if you want to. So if you do this, you got to open that opening larger, and it's a permanent thing. So do it at your own risk, but it is possible. So the wires for this normally go in here, come around. I added a little clip that I had from hidden antenna that I put on the Street Glide that I didn't use. So I just moved it out of the way a little bit. Moved it around here just to shorten it. Because this thing's just a little bit shorter than the other one. So you do need to take it out of its original holder. The one wire, or one is flat, and the other one's at a 90-degree angle from that one. So just a little bit of modding just to make it work. If you're like me and you want to put additional USB outlets on the bike. Now back to what I told you showed up in this window. Pretty neat, huh? It tells you how many volts are going to this outlet. I'm sure if you get the bike running, you know what? Actually, we'll try it. Let's see if it goes up. Yep. Alright, well that was neat. So it actually displays the actual 12 volt power that is supplied to the system, which is pretty cool. So I probably won't be testing this one. I just hope it works like it says it's supposed to.